guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to film this video because I am once again collaborating with Linjer, which is a sustainable jewelry company. They were kind enough to send me some more items to share with you guys, and I also have a little treat for you guys at the end of this video. But first, I just want to share the pieces that I was able to pick out from them. And I love their jewelry the first time around. In the previous video that I did for them, I were wearing them nonstop, and I'm so happy for these new pieces that I picked up that I'm really excited to share with you guys. So a little background on Linjer. They are a sustainable jewelry company that makes luxury style jewelry, but at a really great affordable price. They also use materials like recycled gold and silver, which I think is really great because, you know, you want to help keep the earth really clean and nice. So I love that they are recycling in their metals. Their brand name is Norwegian for the word line, which really references their simple and minimalist jewelry. They sell directly to customers online to cut those unnecessary costs and crazy markups that will have other jewelry places selling to you. And their jewelry sells for about half the typical retail price of other brands to make it more affordable, but giving that luxury style jewelry. They use fine metals like gold, silver, and gold vermeil, which is basically like a gold coated sterling silver, which is great for me because I am someone that tends to have cheap jewelry like turn my hand green and stuff, especially like brass, which is something that they do not use in any of their jewelry. For their diamonds, they also use lab-grown diamonds. And for their packaging, they use recyclable and sustainable materials, which is offsetting carbon emissions for every shipment, which is once again great for our Mother Earth. They also do have solid gold pieces, but if that is out of your price range, they do offer like gold vermeil for a little bit more of a better price point, which I think is great that they give you the options if you want something more, you know, fancy and luxurious out there, but also getting it for half the price and it's still looking like the same exact quality. And all of their jewelry is hypoallergenic and also nickel free, which, like I said, it won't cause any irritation, no itching, also like no, you know, when you get that jewelry burn or even turning green, which is great because I have very sensitive skin. So depending on what I wear, I want to make sure that the jewelry sits nicely and doesn't turn any colors or cause rashes on me. Their jewelry has also been worn by quite a few celebrities such as Millie Bobby Brown, Gigi Hadid, Hailey Bieber, and many more. And I just really love their pieces because I also think they're great to style and stack with other jewelry pieces. So I'm going to share the first one that I picked up, and this one is the multi-gemstone Helene ring. I got mine in a size 8, and as you can see, I probably have like another close-up. It is like this beautiful like multicolored stone ring, and this one is actually in the gold vermeil. It has 7 hand-set stones in beach-inspired hues. Whimsical yet chic, this multi-gemstone ring can be worn on its own or stacked with other rings. And currently on their website, this ring is $55, which I think is such a great price point. Like, it's so cute. I feel like it's just so dainty and really like pretty and delicate, which is great for stacking. I love stacking rings, so I'm totally going to use this with other jewelry pieces in my collection. But I just feel like it's so pretty, like the colors, like it definitely gives me like that beachy style, like the sunset and, you know, like the colors of the water. So love this ring so far, and it feels so like light and dainty on your hand, like you don't even feel it there. The next item I picked up is their paperclip necklace, which I am wearing right now, which I will show you guys a cutaway up closer. But the main reason that I picked out this necklace is because it has like the little paperclip loops, and I kind of think this would be cool to like add some charms to it. I mean, like a kind of charm necklace. So I love that they have like pieces like this that are very, you know, simple, that you could actually style up. And, you know, like this, like I said, you could put like some little charm pieces and make your own charm necklace. And yeah, I think that's gonna be really cute. So I'll definitely share that in the future if I end up doing that. This edgy yet refined necklace features a sleek paperclip chain crafted in sterling silver. It is very modern and chic. Has an adjustable length and can be worn at 16 inches, 17 inches, and 18 inches. The next item is another necklace, and this one is actually in gold. And this is the mother of pearl tag necklace called Area. It is currently $95, which I think is a great price. It is a dainty pendant necklace featuring an iridescent mother of pearl tag on a gold vermeil chain, perfect for layering or as a standalone statement. The pendant measures 7.6 millimeters by 5.1 millimeters, and it also has an adjustable length again, which can be worn at 16 inches, 17, and 18. This necklace is just so pretty as well. I feel like you can also layer this because it's so dainty, but I just love the little mother of pearl like pendant. I feel like it gives like a nice little hint of something. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this in the summer and spring because I feel like it's going to like add that nice little, you know, like I said, beachy style, especially with the ring. I feel like it pairs really well together. And the last item, I don't think you guys can tell right here, but I had them in my little like second piercings, and they are the leaf earrings called Selma. They are currently $48, which are so pretty for these beautiful, like delicate looking earrings. They're an everyday silver stud earring featuring a sparkly leaf design. Each earring measures 5 millimeters by 2.5 millimeters, made with cubic zirconia. I feel like they're so dainty, but yet they like add that nice little bling and sparkle to your ears for that little bit of ear candy. So I love like any little earrings and studs for my other piercings. I think they're just so delicate and cute, and they're like very sparkly. I feel like they like really pop out there. The quality of these jewelries feels very good. Like I said, with the ring, it feels very dainty and like lightweight on my finger, and very durable as well. And I feel like the necklaces, like this necklace is kind of like a rope necklace almost, and I feel like even though it's so delicate, it feels very like thick in a way. I don't know how to explain it, but you also don't feel it on you. Like that's what I love. I love jewelry that it doesn't feel like, it's almost like when you wear makeup and you feel like it's like all up on your face, like you can feel it. I feel like that's how I feel sometimes with jewelry. Like if it feels too heavy on my chest, or, you know, I feel like it's annoying on my hand. Like this feels like I don't have any jewelry on, yet I do. And it's really nice, pretty pieces. The ring, like I said, I would definitely stack this up with some other rings. Also with the earrings, I would love to add like other different pieces. Even like an ear cuff will look really cute with these. For the mother of pearl necklace, layering it with some other tons of gold jewelry necklaces is really cute. And with the paperclip necklace, I would definitely turn it into a charm necklace, like I said. But of course, I can't leave you guys hanging without sharing a little treat for you guys. And if you use my code Cheyenne on their website, which I will have linked down below, you can save on your first order. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these pieces and learning more about Linjer and how sustainable they are for our earth, and having that really nice luxury style pieces at really great price points, which I think is amazing because, you know, I love a good deal on some jewelry pieces while also making them feel really good on me and looking really nice and luxe. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.